Hello to everyone, dear followers and new guests of my page. Welcome to my Secrets of Natural Health. Today I want to share with you another very useful recipe. Please watch the video carefully until the end. Just 15 minutes on your face. You will love this recipe. It lightens the skin, eliminates blemishes, and eliminates all wrinkles. If you use it, you can show a radiant, useful, beautiful, and free from impurities complexion. In addition to being very effective, it's easy to prepare and easy to apply. And you probably already have the ingredients at home. Our first ingredient is wheat flour. Preparation: in a bowl, pour 2 teaspoons of flour. Wheat flour helps to brighten and rejuvenate the skin, as it helps to close pores, gives more luminosity, is excellent for cleaning toxins and reducing blemishes, and improves skin elasticity and radiance. After preparing our flour, we will add our second ingredient, which is milk. We will use 3 teaspoons. Milk proteins favor the generation of collagen, essential to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and expression lines, in addition to showing younger and smoother skin. If you want wrinkle-free skin, there is no more natural anti-aging cream than this one. Milk is good for the face, thanks to its high levels of lactic acid, a substance that has a repairing and revitalizing effect on any skin type, including sensitive and dry skin. We will also add half a cup of plain yogurt. Thanks to its components, yogurt manages to hydrate the skin smoothly and fill it with luminosity. It also helps to clean the skin of dead cells and acts as a natural exfoliant. We must mix these ingredients very well until it becomes homogeneous paste. It is one of the best we can use, as it helps to cleanse the skin of dead cells, the same ones that tend to accumulate on the surface, which causes the appearance of blackheads. Usage mode: before applying it on the face, you must have it clean. You must wash and dry your face as usual, and then with the help of a brush or your fingers, you can apply the treatment, spreading the mixture. Try to make gentle circular motions. Wait for 15 minutes for it to act and remove it with plenty of water. Repeat this procedure 3 times a week at night. I hope you like our recipe today. Let me know in the comments what you think of the recipe, and if would you dare to make it at home. Write the name of your city, and that way I'll know you like today's video. See you soon. Blessings.